On a serene farm, an unlikely friendship blossomed between a curious cat named Whiskers and a gentle cow named Bella. Despite their differences, they found joy in each other's company, exploring the farm and facing various challenges together. Whiskers helped Bella keep the barn free of rodents, while Bella provided warmth and comfort during harsh weather. One day, Whiskers accidentally knocked over Bella's favorite milk bucket, leading to a misunderstanding that caused a brief separation. Both felt the sting of loneliness and regret during their time apart. Realizing the depth of their bond, Whiskers bravely crossed the busy farm to find Bella, and they reconciled under the moonlight, their friendship stronger than ever. Their bond was tested when a severe storm hit the farm, endangering all the animals and structures. Whiskers and Bella worked tirelessly to guide the other animals to safety and protect the farm from further damage. After the storm, the farm was in ruins, but Whiskers and Bella inspired the other animals to come together and rebuild. The farm thrived once more, with Whiskers and Bella leading the way. Their teamwork and unbreakable friendship had brought the entire farm community closer. In the final scene, Whiskers and Bella sat together, overlooking the now prosperous farm, their friendship and the bonds they had forged with the other animals stronger than ever.